In a momentous institutional transition, marking the end of a decorated era of military leadership, Lieutenant General Charles Otema, the commander of reserve forces, stands among 19 high-ranking general officers scheduled for official retirement under Batch 16 of the Uganda People's Defense Forces, UPDF. The Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs, MODVA, officially announced the commencement of the nationwide retirement process in an official statement issued on August the 7th, 2026 by Colonel Chris Magezi, the Acting Director of Defense Public Information. The announcement signals the first discharge of 1,810 military personnel across various ranks, paying tribute to decades of sacrifice, strategic command, and national service. Lieutenant General Charles Otema's impending retirement highlight the transition of one of the UPDF's most formidable tactical figures, having served in critical operational roles, most notably as the commander of the UPDF 4th Division headquartered in Gulu during the height of the load-resistant Hamidas LRA counterinsurgency operations, and later as Chief of Logistics and Engineering. Otema's command footprint has been central to pacifying northern Uganda and modernizing military logistics. His elevation to commander of the reserve forces consolidated his role in regional defense architecture, civil military mobilization, and national security oversight across northern Uganda and beyond. As part of Batch 16, General Otema joins an highlight cadre of senior officers whose service laid the foundation for the professionalization of the national force. According to the official communique, Ref UPDF DDPI 83, the UPDF has structured the retirement schedule across the primary ceremonial phases to honor the operational contributions of all ranks. Number 1, junior officers and militants. A total of 205 junior officers and 1,364 militants are currently undergoing localized documentation and official discharge from their respective divisions, units, and operational formations across the country. 2 senior officers. On August the 12th, 2026, the Army will host a centralized ceremonial send-off for 222 senior officers at the UPDF Joint Security Services headquarters in Mbuya, Kampala, celebrating their operational excellence and administrative leadership. Now, 3 general officers. The ceremonial send-off date for the 19th general officers, including Lieutenant General Otema and other top brass, will be communicated in due course by the State House and Defense Headquarters, ensuring their exit is marked with full military honors befitting the highest rank levels of national command. Reaffirming the military's commitment to continuous professionalization, Colonel Chris Magezi emphasized that the structured retirement process reflects the UPDF's deep-rooted tradition of recognizing patriotism and operational service while making way for a new generation of commanders. Together, the ceremonies celebrate the courage, discipline, and devotion of both categories of personnel. The junior cadres whose steadfast service has safeguarded Uganda's sovereignty, and the senior commanders whose vision and leadership have strengthened Uganda's role in regional peace and stability. The statement read in part, as Lieutenant General Otema prepares to formally hang up his uniform, defense analysts view Batch 16 not merely as an administrative exit, but as a symbolic passing of the torch within Uganda's defense leadership, solidifying a legacy of stability and institutional continuity. Well, also, we cannot forget the fact that General Awany also has a legacy of being controversial, especially on political matters where he has ever been accused of getting positions he wants with rudimentary methods. And also, there has been accusations of land grabbing, although the entire family has always denied. Thank you.